about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley Caldwell Creative. This is episode 3, and today is going to be something I think is super fun. It is business related, but it's still not so business related that people that don't have businesses couldn't benefit from this. If you're a hobbyist, you love crafting, this is for you. So I have a business, Ashley Caldwell Co., and I have been selling t-shirts as well as doing the other things that I do for my business. But I'd been doing t-shirts, but for a long time I had just been outsourcing to other companies, and they would print the shirts for me and then mail them out. Well, I was losing a lot of money from that. I wasn't really making anything on the shirts because I had to pay so much to them to fill the orders, and it's not business savvy. It was okay to begin with until I could get the stuff that I have or that I've bought now, but it is not something that I would recommend for the long term at all. I would never ever recommend that you use and I'll tell you, the company I use, Printful, is who I use, and they're a good company. They really are. They're great to work with. But if you are trying to make a business out of this, that's not going to work. You're not going to make any money because the amount of money that you have to charge for your product is outrageous, and nobody's going to buy it. I hope that makes sense. So I got the Silhouette Cameo 3, as you know by now. You've seen the thumbnail. I came across the most amazing, and I know that it was a godsend because it's hot pink. And if you haven't noticed yet, that's part of my branding colors. And I found a hot pink Silhouette Cameo 3. Yes, I did. I was so ecstatic. I'm like, this is freaking awesome. As you know, no one sees it for now, but once I open my brick and mortar store, it'll be there. People will see it. It's gonna go with the decor. It's gonna be really cool. I thought it was really awesome. It was like meant to be. And I knew that it was gonna be expensive to buy one. I knew that going in, but I came across a bundle pack. And Amazon is big on bundle packs. They're amazing. When I bought my Canon T6i, which is what I record with, I got it in a bundle pack as well. I mean, granted, some of the stuff that came with it was like the tripod is junk, but some of the other stuff is good. I mean, it was worth the bundle. It didn't cost me any more. I got all of it for free. So, I mean, who's gonna turn down free? Not me anyways. So I got so much stuff with this bundle. I got free vinyl, I got free sketch pens, 24 of them to be exact, 24 sketch pens. That's awesome. And you'll see everything in the video. So let's just hop right on into this unboxing and get started. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. Pretty cute. So I got the pink. It's the breast cancer one. I love pink, and that's part of my branding colors, hot pink. So it's like perfect. All right. So first thing we got in here, like I said, I got a starter bundle. So here are 24 sketch pens. Lots of different colors. Lots of colors. Got that. There's a way to keep this down. Here is some vinyl. There's a whole bunch of colors within each of these, so... Oh, it is open. Oh, there's even like a metallic brown, green, Hope you can see them. Navy, like a turquoisey teal, yellow, orange, blue, white, and black. Then here's another big pack with a whole bunch of other ones in it. And these are Oracle 651. That's what the brand of these are. Here is a Silhouette. This is the board that you'll lay your vinyl on and stuff and feed it through the Silhouette machine. Let's see the other stuff down in here. Here is a hook. So I need that. The Ultimate Silhouette Beginner Guide to Vinyl. This is mostly why I got the this bundle pack, because it's like it come with all this really awesome like promotional stuff. So I got a 30-day free membership to Silhouette University, and then it gives me the steps to how to redeem that. I got a 30-day membership to the Club Silhouette, and it gives me the information, a little telling you how to redeem some other things like I got a $25 credit to Silhouette Design, how to redeem some other stuff like your warranty, some other things like that. So, and then this is basically teaches you a beginner guide. This actual book may come with all silhouettes, I'm not sure, but this stuff does not. It talks about the different types of adhesive vinyls, transfer materials, cutting vinyl. This is really good. This is really good. And it also has a 15% off. This has a 15% off your purchase of the Unlimited Silhouettes Guide second version. So 15%. I don't know how good of a deal that is, because I don't know how much it costs, but I'll let you know. I'll put it like down in the description and everything. But yeah, I got the bundle because I felt like it honestly got me more bang for my buck, because it didn't cost me any more than just the Silhouette machine itself. So I got all this extra stuff for free. Here's a swing design beginner class. Let's see. I don't know if this is just lets me. Oh yeah, enter a coupon code, so that's another free thing I got. Here is a scraper. I also bought, I purchased my own other scraper though. It's a lot bigger to hold, it's a little bit bigger to hold on to, but I probably will use this too for smaller things. This is I think this is probably your transfer paper. That's what I'm going to assume. This is your transfer paper. Okay. Here's the cord, plug-in cord. I want to get this stuff here out of the way before I lose it. Sorry guys, I don't want it to get misplaced somewhere. Here's an instructional book that has more plugins, instructions. And sorry I'm getting in front of the camera, but I gotta try to figure out how to pull this bad boy out. Oh, here's another coupon. That's what I'm telling you guys, that's why I got this. Oh, and here's another one back here. Okay. So this one here is Silhouette Vinyl Ideas e-guide and art files. So I get free art files and an ebook. So that's really good too. It's awesome. And this one, Silhouette Design and Inspiration Facebook group. It gives me the link to those groups, which I'm sure other people can get in those. I'm sure this isn't just like special to this box, but I mean, that's still really nice. I wouldn't have known about it otherwise. And they have a selection, apparently, this swing design shop thing, they have a selection of different vinyls and stuff you can purchase and on there. Alright. So personally, I really liked I liked the way it was all packaged. Now at first I didn't, because my husband brought my box in and I'm like, well, where's everything else? Where's all my extra stuff? That's just the silhouette machine. Well, I didn't realize it was in, that they had, that Amazon and everyone, they fulfilled the shipping, or they put it all in the silhouette box. Like, I didn't realize it came like that. And so it kind of scared me at first. I'm like, oh my gosh, I ordered that, I need to get all my stuff. But I did. So, but I'm super happy that I found a pink one. It was like meant to be, because like I said, it's part of my branding colors. It's hot pink and black and gold and white. So it's perfect for me. I had planned on just getting a white one because it still would have matched fine. It would have been fine. But I mean, when I came across this pink one, I was like, this is meant to be. This was ordained. Okay, let's take these off. Oh, I can't get a hold of it. Look, even the cartridge piece is hot pink. It's pretty awesome.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free.
So there you have it, guys. That is everything that you get when you buy the Mega Bundle Pack through Amazon. It's totally worth it. $249 for all of this. So totally worth it. I recommend this. I will leave a link below in the description box to this actual one that I got. But there are other ones where you don't have to get a pink one. You could get a white one, black one. There are other bundle options, but like I said, I chose pink because it's part of my branding colors. And I'll see you all next time.